Hey everyone, this is Keith from easytradingschool.com, and today I'm showing you the new system which just came out. It's called the Auto Trading Hub. So Auto Trading Hub is a new platform where you can get signals and the system operates automatically for you. All you have to do is create your account. It's completely free to register. Click here to register your free account. Make sure you use the right details, otherwise you may be locked out of your account. Once you register, you will be assigned a broker depending on the country that you're located in, and then you can use the system for your benefit. You can make some money. It has auto scanning capabilities. It has a built-in scanner in it, so it will look for winning trades and it will give you indication of where you should be placing the trade. It's completely automatic. You can select the pairs which you want to use. So let me just show you around the new system. So this is the Auto Trading Hub. To sign up, just click the link below the video and it will be taking you to the website Auto Trading Hub. And it's the latest in 2019, the first quarter. Now it is April Fool's Day, but it doesn't mean that it's not a real system. It's just when it's ready. So you have potential to connect this to different brokers. Now if you do not have already a broker, it will select a broker for you. So you would have to create a new account and you would have to have a new email address. If you have already email address with the same broker, you would have to use a different one. So because you would have to register here. Now sometimes I get people asking me, they already have a broker, or they register with the broker first. So don't do that. Just come to the link and it will register the broker for you. It will select the broker for you. So you have to register from here and it will set up the account for you, and then you can use the same email address, same password that you created, and you can log in the broker website also. So I'm gonna scroll down. You can see that they have a nice flashy website. Now I must say that this is the first auto trading system which I've seen. Has a very good clean, and it looks not promising you to make millions. So you will make a little bit of money, and that's all we're looking for. That's what I'm looking for. So I'm gonna start using this today. So I can click either sign up button or register here, and I can register my details here. Now I'm gonna just do that, and I will log in. So all you have to do, put your first name, last name, your phone number, email address, create your own password, and then you hit register. Okay, so I'm gonna log in after I create this account. Okay, so we'll be right back. So I've just created an account. I'm gonna log in here with a sign in, and I'm just gonna sign in here. Okay, so okay, I guess no one likes these CAPTCHA things. Okay, but it goes to show it's a good system. It has security built in. So I'm just logged into the system. This is a dashboard. There are no ads as such. There's just a chart where you can select your ticker, and you can zoom in, zoom out. So chart, and then it's telling you which direction you should be taking the trade. Now it has auto trade right here, and it tells you the pair that you want to trade with. It tells you the return rate. It tells you the take profit amounts and stop loss in pips, and then it tells you the latest time. So the time I have is actually 6:30, but this is 16:30. So whatever time zone you're in, this is showing UTC time, which is okay, because it has its own time, so don't worry about that. And the thing is that this system is much more nicer, and it has more simple trading facility here, and you can see the items which it's telling you, and you can change the chart here. You can just go, let's say if you want to do the, I'm going to change the chart, so XAUUSD. So just select that, and you can see the movement. So you can see that this is coming down and is telling you to take the down trade. Now it's very simple how to take the trade. There's a big button here, switch on auto trading. If you hit this button, it's going to trade automatically for you. That's one very good option. You can turn it on, you know, once a day for 2 hours and see your profit go up. And if you want to take individual trades, you can just select here, and then once you have taken the trades, you can see your broker. You can log in into broker which it has assigned. I will just show you the brokers which I'm connected to. So you can see I've connected 3 brokers now. To deposit, I can deposit with either of them. They've just connected all of them on registration. Now let me just show you the deposit section. So when you hit deposit here, it's going to show you the number of brokers it can connect to. So I've already had a 24 option a couple of times. There's an Invest House and there's a Europe FX. So I've decided to deposit for this Europe FX. So I'll just show you this. Now I need to make a deposit, so I'm going to do that now. I will press deposit here, and here I can pay with different methods, and the minimum that you can pay with is 200 euros, because if you put 100 it's not going to go. If you put 200 it's going to go. So I'm going to deposit 300 euro. Okay, so I'm going to put in my details here. Once I've completed my details, I will resume. So guys, I've deposited 300 euros into the account. I still have to upload my documents, which I will do that. Now it is very important that you upload your KYC documents, so that when you make withdrawals, then you don't have to have delay. So I'm gonna do that tomorrow. But you can see I have a balance of 300 euros, and now when I come back to my auto trading hub, the new platform for trading Forex, it's here, and now I'm ready to take the trades. I can turn on the auto trading, or I can turn on the trade button here, and I can select the what I want to do here. Okay, so this was a walkthrough for the new system. Click on the link to get started. Please don't subscribe if you're not serious. If you're serious and if you can risk and afford to lose, only then you can sign up, and otherwise don't do it. If you're not serious, and or if you don't have the money to lose, don't do it, because it is a little bit of gambling if you don't know anything about trading. Other than that, if you have some knowledge, I also have a course if you want to learn before you jump into the trading. It's available at easytradingschool.com. You can go and buy starter course here, and it is very affordable. Other courses are being sold just as good for thousands of dollars. So you can sign up to this course. It's only 99 euros, and you click on here and you can buy the course with the instant access. So guys, thanks for watching, and I will be making more videos with the new auto trading hub platform, and show you how you can use this to make money. Okay, so thanks for watching, and see you again.
Thank you, Keith, for great free before and free after sign up support, and thank you for watching. And to subscribe, click below and comment and like, but just don't touch.